Color inconsistency across project phases undermines brand integrity and extends revision cycles. Rather than memorizing hex values, build comprehensive gradient and color libraries synchronized across all team machines via Creative Cloud. Create 3 primary preset files: brand_palette_primary.aco, seasonal_overlays_winter_2025.aco, and data_visualization_gradients.aco. Each palette contains precisely relevant colors with descriptive names: CTA_button_orange_ #E74C3C rather than generic labels. Store gradients as .grd files containing multi-stop configurations reflecting brand voice.